Radha, as CEO, which enterprise use case actually impressed you more with KodeFast?
So MI can be deployed anywhere there is a human.
So comparing quotations, drafting negotiation messages, how does it happen? Isn't it a tedious process?
Yeah. So what he does is calling all these clients and negotiating them. Like, oh no, this much should be this much, and I should like, and he's doing good.
Must be feeling the shift.
Absolutely, yes. After the first automation, what's happened is customers suddenly see what's possible. Okay.
Yeah, Shikha, so what would be your strategy for onboarding a customer?
So, I mean, like Murtaza said, addiction.
So Radha, if Emma was an actual human being, what would it be?
I would say Chief Efficiency Officer.
So it is you, right?
He is irreplaceable, let me just say.
So she never forgets.
He never forgets.
He never forgets. Hi everyone, welcome to KodeFast, Emma, Nimble Suite, Automation, Innovation Roundtable. I'm Amar. I'm the host today. So joining me is someone who sits at the helm of all the products. Radha, the CEO of the Nimble Suite and all the products like KodeFast, eSigns, and the list goes on. Over to Radha, sir.
Thank you, Amar. Really excited to share what you have been building and where the industry is heading.
Okay.
And at KodeFast, we are building amazing product. We'll share all the details in the conversation.
That's really exciting to go ahead. Yeah. Yes, Mohit.
Hey, hi, hello everyone. I'm Mohit. They call me father of Emma, but yeah, I'm the brain. I'm the one who developed the brain of Emma and the voice.
Oh yeah, that's good. Yeah. Okay, Shikha.
Hi everyone, hi guys, this is Shikha. So I make sure that every product reaches the right audience and is also supported by the right client success stories.
Great. So Murtaza.
Hello everyone, this is Murtaza. Happy to be here. I turn customer problems into KodeFast applications, sometimes solutions too.
Oh, that's great. Let's get into it. Okay. So this one for you, Radha. So Radha, you oversee all the products like Nimble Suite, KodeFast, Emma, eSigns. What is a major shift that you see in the market that is emerging?
Amar, we are entering into the era of the intelligent automation.
Yes.
So businesses demand in the current generation, they want to operate the business with minimum human intervention.
Yes.
So that's where we have the KodeFast, Emma, and also ecosystems, Nimble Suite, and the e-signatures and document management. So the KodeFast sets the workflow automation. Emma makes the decisions, and the document management, Nimble Suite, it's an ecosystem that supports these tools.
Yeah. Okay. So that's really great. Mohit, how does this Emma elevates the new era?
I'll give you an example. So what will happen in now in recruitment we are doing. So you give the just job description to Emma. She will find a resume for that, like candidates for that, do the profile matching, all these things. She will call these people, all the candidates, and take the interview, and then it will like tell you that okay, who are the good candidates, who are the bad candidates, all that. So she's working like a team member. So that's all.
Oh, that sounds really exciting. So what do you think the customer must be feeling the shift?
Absolutely, yes. After the first automation, what's happened is customers suddenly see what's possible. Okay, so it's like a light bulb movement. They'll start spotting automations, opportunities everywhere.
Okay. So let's go into the real customer use cases, Shikha, actually. Tell me something what is a memorable side from your side in terms of the customer satisfaction or the customer journey.
Well, first of all, there are a lot, so let
Mhm.
me just think over. I mean, a client actually built their whole HR onboarding process with us.
Mhm.
Like Mohit mentioned, Emma validated all the documents,
Yeah, the
did the
recruitment process.
pre-screening.
Yeah,
Yeah.
correct.
So it was just not like we were not onboarding a client for KodeFast, but it was more of like a combined effort where Emma did her job. Of course, Murtaza and the team did their job.
Correct.
And I mean, I remember when I spoke to the HR of that particular company, they said, you know what? Emma is someone who never sleeps, or maybe she never demands a coffee.
Yeah.
So this was the best conversation I had with the fun conversation with the client.
Yeah, those are really priceless, right?
Absolutely. For me,
Yeah,
it is
yeah,
definitely.
Yeah. So, okay, Radha, as CEO, which enterprise use case actually impressed you more? Could go first.
Like Mohit's telling recruitment industry,
Mhm.
hospitality industry, or healthcare. So MI can be deployed anywhere there is a human
Okay, repetitive.
repetitive tasks that are going on. Not only repetitive tasks, it can think like human, it can make the decisions like human. So, like I said, we have been building like a number of suite of products. The KodeFast
Mhm.
can act as a workflow automation,
Exactly.
and they store the data.
Correct.
Emma can access the data and
Mhm.
make the decisions and talk to the people. It
Mhm.
acts as a human replacement. I won't say call it replacement, but minimize the human intervention.
Yes,
And if you look at the retail chains,
correct.
inventory management, inventory
Mhm.
alerts, and ordering the products for you, all
Yes,
those
yes.
things Emma can make
Mhm.
without the human. So
Okay.
all human have to do is and embrace the decisions.
Yeah, so I mean, in terms of CodeFast, when empowered with Emma and the AI, there is a market trend going on because it eases the people's getting into the task and doing that, and apart from that, they don't need to go for a developer every time. And when it's supported with AI systems, definitely it will be empowered them. So what happens is that customer will, as Murtaza was mentioning, that they feel that light bulb moment, they feel excited, they own it, they feel that the CodeFast product, it's an asset, they keep on experimenting new things.
Correct.
So that is one journey I really remember always, because that's one thing drives all of us
Yes.
No,
at our teams,
absolutely.
right?
I'm with you.
Yeah. And Mohit, a client, Emma, this procurement analyst, right?
Yeah.
So comparing quotations, drafting negotiation messages, how does it happen? Isn't it a tedious process?
Yeah. So what he does is he took all the quotation from his client, whatever, like, and give it to Emma. Now, and he gave it to the phone number, everything. Now, what Emma is doing, Emma has read everything, and now calling all this client and negotiating them. Like, oh no, this much should be this much, and that should like, and he's doing good.
So I want to know, he or she.
Okay. So basically, Emma is what you make it like. If you can, if you want it as a mail, she will work as a mail. Or if you- so it's totally customized.
So not gender specific
No,
at
no,
But
all.
yes.
does Emma has a brother or a sister? I mean, yeah, I mean, it's a genuine question, isn't it?
We are working
Yeah,
on it.
You're working on it? Amazing.
Let's see how all put together make one big family. Yeah, okay. So let's make a more technical deep dive here. Rather, from a CEO lens, what principles guide you for the tech roadmap?
I would say the first one is the speed of deliverability of the products.
Yeah.
That's very important.
Correct.
So it can take months and years to develop the product. So speed is very important. Second one is the intelligent decision processing. So the system should be inbuilt with the making independent decisions.
Okay.
And third thing is the automation of your workflows or business process. So the three things are very
So
key.
when you're trying to solve an enterprise level of issues.
Absolutely.
Oh yeah, that's good. Yeah, Mohit, according to you, what is the biggest technical challenge that you have gone through?
Well, it's basically voice, because see, Emma can speak in multiple languages, right?
Mm.
It can understand like around 80 to 20 international languages, can all like speak like fluently, and it can adapt the accent too. So that is one point which is very difficult. The model is trained is like 206 billion parameters. That's
Mm.
and
That's a very remarkable thing, right? I know that it is easy.
it's very hard to even maintain.
Yeah, for example, it's not humanly possible, right? Yeah, that's true. Murtaza, how does KodeFast enable the seamless integration with Emma?
Good one. We have a connector app. So
Okay.
that connector engine it enables Emma to execute various tasks like CodeFast workflows or approvals
The
or bill payments and role-based access,
telephonic integrations.
a lot of things.
Yeah.
So and all this can be done without any custom coding, right? So
Okay.
so this is the thing. So this is where no code plus AI is becoming magic.
Oh, that's
Become
great. Okay, so when you're saying the magic thing, so let us hear from Shikha. Okay, Shikha, what often really customers worry about the security? What do you say about that?
Oh my god, that's the most asked questions.
Huh?
I mean, even before I present the product to them, they're like, "What about the security of the data?" No matter it's KodeFast or Emma. So it's simple, Amar. If it's
Mhm.
KodeFast, so it's your application, it's your data. I don't have nothing to do with it.
Mhm.
Likewise, if it's Emma, it's your Emma or it's Emma's brother, sister, like whatever
Okay,
we
so
deploy.
you're empowering with their data.
Absolutely. It's your stuff. I don't
Mhm.
have to do anything with it. And of course, with that, we have, like Murtaza mentioned, we have role based access, audit controls are there, all the compliances we are following. I'm sure Mohit can
Yes, yes, yes,
mention
yes.
more about it. So it's all backed up. I mean, there's nothing to worry about it. It's all taken care of.
I think definitely, as you said, it's a quite often asked question,
Absolutely.
right?
Anybody would be,
Yeah.
if I go to buy a different product, I would also be worried about my data.
Obviously.
So it's definitely a FAQ, but then we
Mhm.
are definitely backed up with everything.
Okay. So, what is the demographic of Emma? So, which region does it solve? Like,
So basically, right now, we are in USA and Saudi Arabia, and we are also targeting other countries too. But
so
right
do
now-
you have Emma that relevant there? They know Emma, or they have another?
Yeah, in Saudi Arabia, it's Salama. Yeah.
Oh, yes.
And she,
Okay, that's great.
she talks Arabic very fluently. So
Okay.
yeah, people are very happy with that.
So Salama talks Arabic.
Yeah.
But like, I'm just curious to know, but when Salama is talking Arabic and if someone wants to really switch real time to English or maybe a different language, so is that possible or you just train her for Arabic?
Yeah, just talk to like I want to speak in English. She would say.
And what if I'm talking, if you're Emma and I'm talking to you in Arabic and suddenly I change my sentence in English, will Emma understand it's English and she'll respond?
She will.
Oh, amazing.
Oh, that's. I think that's the way to go. Okay, so I mean, like I always say that with KodeFast or Emma, everything for the business owners, I say please, you need not have to mind your business. We will do it for you.
Yeah.
So definitely, Radha, what companies really misunderstand about AI?
When many people think that it replaces the humans, it doesn't. So it acts as a companion. So it frees up your time so that you can focus on your
Okay.
strategic decisions. And like Emma, for example,
Okay.
it will work 24 hours a day. It doesn't get tired. Okay. So, but you can act as a guide
Okay.
and guide her and train her, and she will act on your behalf.
So the misconception of that AI disruption, we thinking of disruption to supportive disruption, right?
Absolutely.
So we are really,
Yeah. In fact, I want to add here. So I think this has been very misinterpreted multiple times that Emma or any agentic, any AI agent is trying to replace human beings. So from marketing perspective, we are also trying to market Emma in the perspective that, you know what, she's not here to replace you. She's here to help you. She's here to empower you. Probably she can take care of the basic tasks, the tedious tasks in the beginning, and then maybe the decision making can be done by the real humans.
Exactly.
And maybe they can focus on the bigger things.
Yeah.
Or maybe Emma can start the stuff, like when we talk about recruitment.
Correct.
I mean, of course, Mohit can talk about it, like how she can do the pre-screening, and then
That's one of the important things.
one of the most important use case that
eliminate
eliminate a lot of people for the
Obvious
pre-screening
chaos,
process. So
Correct.
I love that use case. It's a beautiful thing. Like,
correct. Actually, correct, Mohit. I think it should be disruptive. What do you mean? Really, it is disruptive as a Emma or AI head. What do you think will be the future?
Well, I'm waiting for the AGI, okay, which is basically artificial general intelligence, which is I can say when AI in technical we say where AI is same I would say intelligence like humans. Right now,
Okay.
yes, AI can interact with people, and he can support very big data and process that. But yes, it's still the human brain is not there. So yeah, we are waiting for that.
Oh,
But you think that's possible?
That is possible.
so Murtaza, how does teams usually react after building their first automation?
If I have to say in one word, they got addicted.
Uh-huh.
They often get motivated also and want to automate even more tasks.
Mhm.
But yes, like with this all the AI, all those things, our works are getting reduced. Actually, we can able to accomplish 12 hours work in 1 hour.
Yeah,
So it is allowing us, it is giving us more time so that we can like take more customers and we can solve their we can give them solution, we can solve
Correct.
their problems, right?
yeah.
Yes. So they got addicted. Like they want more customers now. Now, okay, I want to resolve this issue. I want to resolve this issue. I want to resolve both issue at a time.
So they're making them more busy in actual things that
Yes,
have to
yes,
do rather than
yes,
looking into small nitty-gritties. They're
Correct.
actually focusing how to build their businesses.
correct.
That's a really inspiring thing, right? Yeah. Shika, so what would be your strategy for onboarding a customer?
So I mean, like Murtaza said, addiction. So I don't want to be pushy. I don't want. Nobody's comfortable moving their system directly from a settled system to a platform. So we start with one workflow, let them be in confidence, and of course, like Murtaza said, it becomes addiction. So,
So slowly they come
Yeah,
and settle
absolutely.
themselves in the
Yes.
okay. That's really interesting, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So other thing is rather like when you talk about enterprise level solutions, we talk about the products, everything. But there's one thing that always we got a challenge in terms of document process. Could you throw some light on the product that we have?
So what we have developed to address the needs of the customers is the e-signatures. So each of the signatures is not just a digital signature platform. It starts with the digital signatures, but it's a completely life cycle management of the contracts.
Okay.
Every business, so it needs a document process.
Correct.
So right now, the process is that people have to spend a lot of time in negotiating the contracts back and forth. So what if the system takes care of it right from the contract generation? So if you don't have the contract, you can ask AI to create the document. Or if you have the existing document your customers are sending, you want to analyze it, you want to summarize it, or you want to ask the questions like, hey, is it contract meeting my needs or not?
Okay. Yeah.
So they can maintain a clause library, you can compare against the clause libraries, or you can do the redlining.
So they're all AI driven.
Absolutely.
So Mohit, you are there here also. Oh, good.
Yeah. So it can do the automatic negotiation of the redlining of the contracts and everything. So previously people used to do with the emails, and
they have to do a lot of research for the contract.
Absolutely.
And how the laws work out. What is the latest law that works out, right?
Yeah. So all you have to do is like ask the AI whether my contract is good to sign or not. If it's good to sign, you can sign it, or you can ask the AI to find out the things.
Yeah.
You can send it to your through your customers. So, hey,
sometimes there can be fraud. Fraud can happen.
Absolutely.
So yeah,
and they can correct it. You negotiate it and you sign it. So what used to take like probably 2 or 3 days, it can be done in minutes with the e-signature document management process.
Okay, let's move on to the fun intervention. Okay, so Radha, if Emma was an actual human being, what would it be?
I would say Chief Efficiency Officer.
It is you, right?
He is irreplaceable, let me just say.
So she never forgets.
He never forgets.
He never forgets.
So
He never sleeps.
He never. Yes, he's omnipresent in all the time zones.
He is available 24/7.
Yeah.
So never sleeps, never delays the task.
Yeah. So for the LLM model for such a CEO here, you need to train more.
Yeah.
So it will be very hard for me because I already lose all hair in my head, but I will try.
So what is the dream feature that you wanted to see in the feature that you want to see in the future?
It's a self-automate the business process. Business process should learn itself, autocorrect, and generate the software that is self-maintainable.
So that is very empowering for the end users, right?
Absolutely.
They can know, they can never go wrong. Okay, so what is that with you?
I mean, I would need a lot of things I mean, there's a lot that I would want, but maybe I would need an Emma who can probably just go and pitch on my behalf and maybe, get all the,
She's talking about voice driven.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think we should try that.
So I think can she mimic Shikha's voice?
Yeah.
So she can take my voice as well?
Yeah.
She can.
And she can take my accent?
Yeah, she can.
Oh, wow.
Oh wow.
I mean, that's amazing. We
we
should build
can use
another Emma
For
plus
our
Shikha.
company.
Yeah. What is it with you, Murtaza?
So if Emma, then as I mentioned before, like all the application developers are like they want multiple tasks. So I want if Emma can debug my workflow, whatever they have
It's
created.
interesting, right?
So
Yeah.
workflow debugger assistant. Yeah. If that would-
Yeah. So as
if
a
we do it.
development standpoint, when we are trying to deal with the connecting various apps to KodeFast, like I see auto connector generation. That is one thing. Okay, it's a big challenge for you, or is it easy for you?
So you want to like connect all apps with AI or like some?
No, see, the API connectors will be there, right? So when I'm trying to do that, so we will be doing the mapping the field level field level. So that can be replaced.
Oh, that is really.
But everything is ready, right? Okay, let's talk about the future, which is the last section of our discussion today. Yeah, so guys, let's get into the final round. Okay, so quickly ask you questions. Okay, last
Mhm.
final questions. Like,
Okay.
let's talk about the future. Okay, what in terms of first, let's ask the visionary CEO. So, what do you see the vision for 2026?
Every business, whether it is a smaller enterprises, they need to embrace and they need to use AI agent in one fashion or the other. That will drive the industry and the operations.
Okay.
And also KodeFast, I feel the KodeFast MI and ecosystem will build will be forefront of all the digital revolution that is going on. It will automate every aspect of your business process.
Yeah.
The business process will automatically self-correct itself. It generate the workflows. The voice agent will automatically help the humans reduce their tasks tremendously.
Yeah.
And that's what we'd like to see.
Yes. Yes. Okay. So, Shikha, what do you think 2026 will be?
I think that automation will become a culture instead of like a tool. So I think that
It should be very everyday part.
Yeah, it should
Business
be-
as usual.
it should
with
be a
everybody.
generalized thing. Like it should not
Yeah.
be a very that we're doing automating, we're automating. It should be a culture. It will be very soon.
Okay. Okay. So,
True.
yeah. What do you say?
From my side, then companies are going to use fewer SaaS tools
Mm.
because they'll build their custom ones on KodeFast and Amar, right? So
I
they'll
agree
use
that.
they'll do
I strongly agree with that.
yes.
Okay. So, Mohit.
So I think I'll say in 2026.
26.
Yeah, 26. Yeah. So yeah, right now let's say we are handling 20 language. Maybe we will increase it to 20. 30, 40. But I believe in, and we will see the more use cases of Emma. Right. But
More
Uh,
sectorial
more
wise
sec-
also. Okay.
yeah, more domain. Right now we are in a healthcare recruitment
Yeah.
and some few more. But yes. But my bet is on like I'm looking for AGI and as I said and quantum computing because
Okay.
because even more than that is cheaper training model, right? Because I like
It's process of evolution. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
Correct.
yes.
Correct. Yeah. I think amazing insights from everyone. Thank you, Radha, Mohit, Murtaza,
Thank you.
and Shikha.
Thank you, Amar.
So I see. Thank you all the listeners there.
Thank you.
And I must tell you, the future is automation, intelligence, and of course speed. Thank you. Thank you again.
Thank you.
Thank you.
everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.